Sabi nila, our vote for impeachment was not to condemn the person of Vice President, but rather to ensure that she is afforded the proper forum. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng impeach? Ang ibig sabihin ng impeachment process is the process of bringing charges against a government official for wrongdoing. So yung sinasabi nyo, hindi ito verdict. Yan, hindi ito verdict kasi nga hindi kayo yung judge. Pero namosisyon na kayo. At ang posisyon ninyo ay you have charges against Inday. You signed charges against Inday in which you want the Senate to decide whether she is guilty or not guilty to it. So itong statement nyo na to, katarantaduhan to, na sabihin na, hindi naman to na, verdict of guilt ganyan. Hindi talaga, kasi hindi naman talaga kayo magbibigay ng judgment dyan But you signing the impeachment of Inday, it means you're bringing charges against her. Kinasuhan nyo siya. And itong mga statement na ganito, I hope you listen to yung mga taga Misamis, mga taga Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental, makinig po kayong mabuti. Niloloko po kayo ng mga representative ninyo. Nasasabihin nila na we're actually giving opportunity to Inday, to ganyan. No. Kinasuhan nyo siya, naniniwala kayo na yung articles of impeachment ninyo, na sinainan ninyo, ay dapat pagdesisyonan ng korte, ng Senate in this case.